Welcome. This is your reset button. A few minutes to consciously and completely end your workday, so you can reclaim your evening as your own. Find a comfortable seated position. Let your shoulders drop, and when you're ready, close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, the deepest one you've taken all day, and as you exhale, let outside, releasing the sound and the tension with it. One more like that. Full breath in and a complete breath out. Let it go. Now I invite you to mentally scan your day, like fast forwarding through a film. Just let the events, conversations, and tasks flash through your mind. Notice the difficult email, the unresolved problem, lingering worry about an employee. As these moments come to mind, I want you to imagine gathering them all up, all the stress, the tension, the mental clutter, the emotional residue of the day. Imagine gathering it all into a ball of energy, right in the center of your chest, packing it all in there, every last bit of it. It might feel heavy or dense, but that's okay. Just gather it all. Now take a deep breath in, and as you do, feel that ball of energy becoming more compact, more concentrated. On your exhale, with a forceful whoosh breath, I want you to push that ball of energy out away from you. With both hands, physically or just in your mind, push it out. See it flying away from you, getting smaller and smaller, until it disappears completely over the horizon. Let's do that again. Scan for any leftover residue, any remaining tension. Gather it into your chest on the inhale, and on the exhale, push it away. See it vanish into nothing. It's gone. It's complete. Now there is an empty space. Let's fill it with something new. Imagine a gentle cleansing waterfall of soft golden light pouring down over the crown of your head. Good washing through your mind, clearing away any remaining thought pattern from work. Feel this light washing down over your shoulders, your back, your chest, cleansing, soothing, and restoring your energy. Filling that empty space with peace, calm, and presence. Take a final deep breath in, breathing in this golden peaceful light, and breathe out, feeling settled, clear, and free. Your workday is now complete. Your time is now your own. When you're ready, gently open your eyes.